Just on a sleeper train from Jaiselmer to Jaipur in the north of India. We're in sleeper class, so cheap tickets, but no blankets, pillows, anything like that. Just these plastic beds to sleep on. It's quite cold in the night because it's winter here, so we bought some blankets from the market. I'll show you our carriage, and then I'll show you sitting class, and then the toilets. It's Kelly over there, reading her book. She's been reading that for the past 5 hours now. I was getting bored, so I just thought I'd make a video, show you what it's like on the trains. These are the sleeper class carriages, so 2 tiers in the alleys, 3 tiers where we are. There's a tier in the middle that's folded down now. Drinks holder, quite posh. Don't even get those in Mondeos. These are the beds, so this gentleman sleep over here. This is how you roll on these trains. Bag for a pillow, no blanket. It's actually daytime now. Been on here 15 hours, so should have got to our destination 3 hours ago, but that's India for you. But I'm going to get down now and show you the seating class and then the toilets. So excuse the video while I get down, because I've got to get down with 2 hands. Down to sleeping class. Let's go again. That's the seating class already. Pretty standard. And the toilets there as well. Show you the toilets in our section. So, this is the, as stated on the door, Western toilet. So here's the toilet, trash running below, it's pretty standard. Seat is probably never been put down. It's all flush. The wall, it's one of the most interesting parts. This is the toilet paper. So you do your business, wipe your backside with your left hand of course, because we're in India. Wipe with your left, eat with your right. And then wipe your hand on the wall. You see some brown marks down there. This is where people chew tobacco, and instead of spitting it on the floor or down the toilet or in the sink, they choose to spit it on the wall. The window isn't open. It's probably never been opened, so it smells quite a bit in here. Sink. It's got a nice stainless steel sink actually. That's where they keep the soap. Rather where they're supposed to keep the soap. Looks like the soap dish needs a clean. That's pretty much it. Yeah. I'll see if I can get across to the squatter toilet, but there might be somebody in there. Yeah, there's somebody in there. Let's close this door. Like to keep the smells in. There's gaps in the train. The carriages are connected. Right, to go to the toilet also. Queuing up to go to the toilet. So we're on our way to Jaipur now, like I said. Should be there, who knows away. Then we're going to get in about 5 or 6 hour train down to Agra. See the Taj Mahal. Should be worth it in the end. See if any of these toilets are open. Ah, here we go, squatter. It's nice and warm in here and musty. Here's a squatter. Yeah. Quite nice. Quite nice. Ah, I wanted to show you the rules of the toilets. It's quite interesting. Being my favourite part of the train. Rules. Now, the last one being my favourite. Please keep the lavatory clean and dry. Nice. So yeah, that's it. It's bored, so I thought I'd make a video. So